Hello everyone. Located in the sought-after Ryan Park community, this thoughtfully designed home features 4 complete move-in ready bedrooms, ideal for comfortable family living and immediate occupancy. The main residence offers spacious living and dining areas, a generously sized kitchen and soot bedroom, all tastefully finished to ensure comfort and privacy. A major highlight is the upstairs self-contained 2-bedroom apartment, awaiting your final finishing touches. This space boasts ocean views and beautiful panoramic views, making it perfect for rental income, guest accommodation, or extended family living. The property is fully fenced and designed to function seamlessly as a single-family home or as multiple income-earning units, with the option for separate or open entrances and facilities, conveniently located just minutes from Montego Bay, major beaches, and the international airport. This home offers versatility, convenience, and strong investment potential, close to all major amenities. 15 minutes from Sangster's Airport. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $40 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.